Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to download Roblox on your PC and laptop. So in order to download Roblox, firstly, all you have to do is open up your browser. Then in the search panel, you have to type Roblox. Now go to the first website. Make sure that you have logged into your account of Roblox. After that, just click on any game on the home page. Now click on the play button. Then after some time, this window will pop up. So just say download and install Roblox. Save it to anywhere you want. Now double click on the installation folder. And Roblox will start installing. After the installation is complete, Roblox will automatically open. All you have to do is just log in and play the game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.